Let me draw this for you because Phil Stutz always likes to use simple drawings to help people remember his tools. So here we go. I'm going to draw the string of pearls. Essentially, it's just these dashes of lines connecting a set of circles. And those circles are the pearls, string of pearls. So for freelance musicians, think of each pearl that you're adding on the string as the next concert or audition you play, the next stressful thing that you've got coming up. And your career is essentially a long string of these events. But when you've got an important upcoming concert or audition, you blow it all out of proportion. So here's the drawing that describes that. Again, you might have, let's say, a series of normal size of upcoming concert and important audition, but then, right, the one that we've blown up all out of proportion because in our mind's eye, it's a do or die situation. We make it into a giant pearl. On some level, we imagine that this concert or audition, if it goes well, it will magically fix everything. It will exonerate us from all the worries, the struggles, the self-doubts, and everything will be easier. Somehow, this one event, winning a competition, getting an artist manager, or winning the job, will mean you'll be on easy street. That's a fantasy. So, what's the solution that Phil Stutz recommends? Well, here's where Phil gets a little scatological. And I'm going to draw this diagram again of the string of pearls. The way Phil illustrates this is he adds a black dot to each one of these pearls. That dark spot on each pearl, it's a turd. Yes, you have to appreciate Phil Stutz's imagination here. This is his way of reminding us that we're human. There's always going to be a blemish. So when you play that concert and you realize you really blew that passage in the third movement, instead of beating yourself up over it, you put it in perspective. That in the grand scheme of things, these mistakes are not mortal sins. Life is messy. There's always going to be a little funk in the mix.